Hello, children. Okay, don't be freaked out. It's just Mrs. Ruckman. Did you see it was Masked Monday? Well, here's my mask. Are you still wearing yours? Or did you get a different one? Don't forget to let me know what your mask was so I can imagine you in it. Let's move on to math. We are working on our daily warm-up, week 22, day 1. Go ahead and pause your video so you can copy it all down. I love the way that you all are neatly organizing it. It's easy for me to check, and it'll help you do your math better. Good job. All right, back again, still wearing my mask. Let's go on to number 1. 9 times what is 81? We've been doing a lot of 9 times, so this should have been easy. 9 times 9. 81 divided by 9, fact family. 9 again, okay? Number 2, adding 3 numbers. 6 plus 3 plus 0. Yes, 9. 4 plus 1 plus 5, 10. 109 is your answer. 0, 0, 0 is always 0. 5, 1, 5 would be 11. 110. Hey, look at that. 109, 110. All right, number 3. What fraction is shaded? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 figures. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are shaded in. So I could say that 6 out of 8 circles are shaded. Where do I see that? Is it here? No. Is it here? Well, it's flip-flop, but that's not what I'm looking for. 6 out of 8. There it is. Okay? Number 4. I don't know if you've seen these before. We see them when we're writing sometimes, but here they are in math. What they tell us is we need to do the parentheses first, okay? Sometimes it will affect the outcome if we do not do them first. Sometimes it doesn't, but if you see those, you always know to do them first. It's called order of operations, parentheses first. All right, so we're gonna go 8 plus 6, which is 14, then 14 plus 5 is 19. Let's see if they make a difference when we're adding, because I have the same numbers. Did you notice that? Yep, we just moved the parentheses. So I'm going to do the parentheses first, because I know the rule. 6 plus 5 is 11. 8 plus 11 is 19. So in this case, when we're adding, it didn't make a difference, okay? But that doesn't mean we can break the rule. Number 5, Gary collected 24 pounds of bottles. He got paid 4 cents per pound. How much money did he get? So, are we going to add? Let's look at our data. 24 pounds, 4 cents per pound. Per pound. So no, I'm not going to add. Okay. Am I going to multiply? Maybe. Am I going to divide? Do I need to put it into groups? No, because what I'm saying is for every pound I get 4 cents. So I'm going to have to multiply to get my answer. 24 times 4. Now, this is something we haven't seen before, but I know you can do it, okay? 4 times 4. Do you know? 4 fours. Count by fours. 4, 8, 12, 16. So just like when we add, we're going to put our 6 down and regroup the 10. Now I'm going to multiply 4 times 2. I already did this. Now I'm going to this. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So he got 96 cents, or almost $1. Okay? If you like doing these, have Mom or Dad drop you down a few to practice. Okay? You go up first, then to the tens column next. Okay? And if you get where you need to regroup the tens, remember to do that. Okay? Good job. Let's go on and open our math workbook to to page number 657. Okay, you should see bar graphs. We did pictographs last week, and we're moving on to bar graphs, okay? On page 657, you can see kind of a weird kind of bar. It's not all the way shaded in, but it does represent a bar. We have red trucks seen last week. Our kiddos are Morgan, John, Cindy, and Carlos. And make sure you look at that key. Each red box stands for one red truck. You got it. All right. How many red trucks did the kids see in all? What do? That's right. You have to count all the red boxes. Did you get 21 red trucks? So did I. Excellent. Who saw the most trucks? Cindy. Who saw the least trucks? Morgan. Which two children saw 7 trucks in all? 7 trucks. Morgan and Carlos. Very good. All right, time to move on. We're going on to 658. Okay. Look at our model and draw. A bar graph uses bars to show data. Look where the bars end. The numbers of the scale tell how many. Okay. The scale is down at the bottom of the graph. What does it start with? 0. And what does it end with? 9. And all the bars stop at different places along the way. Okay. The games that children like to play: basketball, jump rope, soccer, and tag. Okay, what color is the soccer bar? Blue. How many children liked soccer? 8. See how these bar graphs are so easy to read? It's a great way to set up our data. It's a great, easy way to read information. All right, let's look at our share and show. We're looking at the marbles in a bag. It has 4 colors, and it happens to be the color of the bar. That's perfect. Let's look at the questions. Read the question to yourself as I read it out loud. How many green marbles are in the bag? Okay, you looked at the green bar and you got 4. How many more blue marbles than purple marbles are there in the bag? So I'm going to look at blue first. It's the tallest. And then purple. And what do? How do I find out how many more? Subtract. Yes. The answer is 3. Number 3. How many marbles are in the bag? How do I figure that one out? Count all the marbles. That's right. Add 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3. How many did you get? 15? You are correct. Let's move on. Page 659, moving right along. Okay, another bar graph. Favorite places to go. I want you to go ahead and do question 4 and 5, and then we'll check it together. Do questions 4 and 5 for this graph about favorite places to go. Pause the video if you need to. How was that? Pretty easy, right? Number 4, did you get 6 children? They liked the beach. 6 children. Number 5, which place did the fewest children choose? That means the shortest bar. Did you pick museum? Number 6, let's look at the multi-step. Greg chose a place that has more, votes than the aquarium and the museum together. Which place did Greg choose? See if you can figure that one out. It's a multi-step, so you're going to have to do 2 things. First of all, did you add aquarium and museum? So if we look at our bars, that would be 4 plus 3. Okay, and then it said he chose a place that had more than 7. So which bar is greater than 7? It's the zoo. I like the zoo too. All right, what's your favorite place? Ooh, I like the beach though, and the museum and the zoo, but wow, I think I have to pick the beach. That was one of my favorite places. All right, we are going to go on to 660. You are going to do this on your own, and then we're going to come back and check. Go ahead and pause the video. Welcome back. Let's see how you did. Number 8. Use the bar graph. How many maple trees are there? 7. Use the number 9. Use the bar graph. How many fewer apple trees than oak trees? Fewer, less. Okay? So oak has 6. Apple has 2. The difference is 4 is the answer. Use the bar graph. How many trees are not apple trees? Ooh. How many trees are not apple trees? So I can kick out apple, right? And I'm just going to count up the oak, the pecan, and the maple because those 3 are not apple trees. And you should have gotten 16. Was that one tricky? A little bit, but I knew you could do it. Number 11, use the bar graph. How many oak trees are at the farm? 6 oak trees, okay? All right, that's it for us together. You're gonna go ahead and tear out 661 and 662. 661, 662. Tear those yellow ones out. Okay, complete them and have mom or dad send me only the yellow ones. I don't need all the ones that we did together, just these 2 yellow ones that you're going to do by yourself. Thank you. Have a great day.